Okay, this is a Rheem 3-ton. This is a RAMB 036 JAZ, made in Fort Smith, the 9th week of 2000. This is my mother's unit that I put in. There's an Edison box I promised to mount inside 3 years ago. You can see I haven't done it yet. I didn't want to mount it on the wall, and I don't want it on the outside of the unit. I want it on the inside of the unit. So I'm going to get right on top of that project as soon as possible. It's only been 3 years. And then the compressor has a 5-ton blanket on it, and then I have it's filled with a 1-inch liner. So you can't hear the compressor. You just hear the the condenser fan on it. So it's pretty quiet. "10 years ago I did this by myself. Sorry for the shadows." Here's another shot of the RAMB 036 JAZ 12 Seer condenser. Okay, it's all cleaned up and ready to go. And then on the liquid line, I actually have this 3/8 coming out with the reducer. This is 5/16. Looks like I have to replace the Rubitex on it, but it's 10 years old, and it's 12 Seer, and that's a wrap.